Hello everyone, this is the Rick Dalente. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone. As you can see, the iPhone 12 was just launched around the world, so maybe you also want to buy a new iPhone like the iPhone 12. But the problem is that how could you transfer WhatsApp messages like the photos, videos, chats, history, and the some documents from Android to iPhone? So this tutorial will just show you three software and tools that could be used to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone. Now, the first WhatsApp transfer software I will introduce is called the Doctful WhatsApp Transfer. Doctful is a very popular software tool developed for many years with so many different features such as the data recovery, phone manager, etc. But today I will just focus on talking about its WhatsApp transfer tool. So first of all, just download the Doctful from its website, or just click on the link below the video. After you run the software on your computer, you just choose the WhatsApp transfer, and then, sorry, it may take some time. So after that, it will just moves to this page. As you can see, the phone WhatsApp transfer lets you transfer your WhatsApp messages from Android to your iPhone, or also from your iPhone to Android. In addition, it could also let you backup WhatsApp messages to your computer, then some files like the photos, videos, etc. And besides, you could also just restore the WhatsApp messages to your um, iPhone iOS device or to your Android device. So now, if you want to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone, just choose the first option, and after that, it will ask you to connect your Android and iPhone devices. Here, I will not show this step, but you could just connect after you connect the Android and iPhone devices. You just select the type of the WhatsApp messages, such as the photos, videos, some documents from, and then transfer the WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone very easily. The second software I will just talk about is the iTransfer WhatsApp. This application is also very useful to help transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone or from your iPhone to Android. The interface is very user-friendly, as they could say. So just download and run this software on your computer. After that, this interface will show, which is very clean and simple. So as said earlier, just you could connect your Android and iPhone device to your computer, and just set the left one as the Android device if you want to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone. After that, just select the specific WhatsApp messages and tap on the transfer button. So this is very easy. If the device cannot be connected, you could also just click this button to find some solutions. This software also lets you back up the WhatsApp messages to your computer in case you need them in the future. So besides this software can also let you restore WhatsApp messages to your some other devices. After you connected the devices, you could find some more options here. In general, the iTransfer WhatsApp transfer software is very easy to use with a very user-friendly UI design, you could try this software to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone. Now, after introduce the previous two softwares tools, the last way I will just introduce today is the iPhone Care for WhatsApp, which is developed by Tenacia. Tenacia is a very popular company developing many amazing software programs. Now, so after download and running this software, you could find the interface. In addition to the social app transfer function, there are also many options you could choose. For example, you could transfer device media to iTunes, transfer iTunes to device, and also one click to export your photos to PC, as well as the last one, which I will introduce today about transfer your WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone. So just if you want to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone, just select the search app transfer. Right now you could find two options. You could either transfer WhatsApp or transfer the live data. So I will just choose the first one, transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone or from iPhone to Android. This program is also very easy to use. So first of all, just connect your Android and iPhone device to the computer. After the devices are recognized, you could just select the specific WhatsApp messages such as the photos, chats, and some media files. So there you could just tap on the transfer button, which is very easy to use. So you could download and run this software on your computer and take it a try. You could also tap on the more tools here to check some more options for this software, and I just checked earlier, like the transfer device media to iTunes, or transfer the iTunes data to your iPhone device into sector. So when you want to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone, the good news is that you could use these software programs to transfer data successfully without rooting your Android phone. But the bad news is that all of these programs are not free. In terms of the price, you could just download the software by clicking the link below this video and check the price. So today these are the three software tools I introduced about how to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone. You may want to ask, are there some free software or free tools you could use to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone or from iPhone to Android? I'm sorry to tell you that at the moment it's impossible because the Android sister and iOS sister are not compatible with each other. So this means there are not some free software or some free solutions that could be used for transfer WhatsApp between Android and iPhone. Anyway, if you want to know some more solutions, some softwares, you could check this article from my website about the 7 methods to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone. They include the I transfer WhatsApp, as just mentioned earlier, and the doctor WhatsApp transfer, as well as I can fall for WhatsApp transfer, and the mobile transfer or the backtracks Android WhatsApp to iPhone transfer, and if this one, the whole software what's made into sector. Anyway, if you just get very few WhatsApp messages that needed to be transferred. You could try to use the image and solution, which is the free, but it may look a little bit complicated. And anyway, just could take it a try and see how you could use it to transfer WhatsApp from Android to iPhone.